Enabling biometric login on Gate EO can enhance your account security and provide convenient access. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Gate EO app. Download and install the Gate EO app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or settings gear in the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find biometric login option. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Security or Biometric Login. Tap on it to proceed to the biometric settings. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication. Toggle the switch to enable biometric authentication. You may be prompted to authenticate using your fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on your device. Step 5. Confirm and save settings. After enabling biometric login, ensure you save your settings. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that biometric login is now active. Now you can enjoy the convenience and security of biometric login on Gate EO.